Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where you can enter all of those codes, and let's begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, which should open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And there we've got the calendar info. So here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will open the diagnostic information. It is *##426#*##*#. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and signal level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for this device, which is *##4636#*##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with this one. We can check API configuration and the status. Let's check the status, for example, refresh the stats, and here we've got the things like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test right here. Let's go back, usage statistics. So we've got the list of apps and processes which are currently on this device. They are sorted by usage time, but you can also sort them by the last time used or app name. And the phone information, where you can check the info, just like the email number, phone number, roaming, data service, voice service, signal strength. Of course, you will be able to check all of the details if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I do not have any kind of information. We can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the 3 icon, we can also view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.